off the rear bar. We've still got little accents down here to do in red. But next, gonna swing around and smash out the bonnet quickly. So that's what you're gonna be seeing next. So, while you guys are asleep, we just don't sleep. So, here is the front bar at about 90% complete. I know I said we're going to do this one next, but then decided to do a bit of the boot. Get that all sorted. And then now, it's a new day, as you can tell. Now we're getting cracking and we're going to get into this side. Enjoy. Alright guys, check this thing out. Fully complete. What a rig. Had a lot of fun with this one. Front bar was challenging, but we got there. There's a lot of lining up obviously with the bonnet and then the bar and then the stripes and then to the side and then all the way to the back and a whole lot of fun. But it turned out pretty damn cool. Obviously, very important detail. But overall, can't wait to see this thing going very, very fast at the track. And the customer's already booked in his RX-8 race car with a matching pattern, which we designed up with them. And then also a Focus RS and also the trailer that carries all of the cars. So stay tuned for the next few weeks. It's going to be a lot of fun with these. And we'll catch you on the next one.